Hi everyone, welcome to C Programming Aptitude session. This is the first question. Int main, int k is equal to 15, end with a semicolon, printf percentage %d plus 1 k return 0. Predict the output of this code. Options are 15 and the second option is compile time error, third option is D and fourth option is D15. So int k is equal to 15, printf percentage d, and you have to take care of about this plus 1 followed by the k. I'm trying to print the value of k. Predict the output of this code. You can pause this video, you can predict the output of this code. Now I will execute this code. If you are trying to run this code, this is the output. Only D will be displayed on the screen. How exactly this will be displayed on the screen? This is the point you have to note down. So this is percentage here. If I added a plus means it won't consider this percentage symbol. If you don't consider percentage symbol, definitely the value of the variable 15 won't be displayed on the screen. That is the reason it's displaying only D. Suppose if I add plus 2 over here, 1 means percentage and 2 means this will include the D also. If it is include D also, nothing will be displayed on the screen. Nothing will be displayed. Suppose, so instead of that 1 and 2, if I add 0 over here, now if I'm trying to execute, now the value will be displayed on the screen, 15. So if you use 1, it will consider the percentage. So if you are trying to execute, only D will be displayed on the screen. If you use a 2, so it won't display anything. Why? Because it will consider both things. So 2 means percentage symbol also and D also. This is the second question. Int main printf slash n co and printf slash b si and printf slash r followed by the ait. Predict the output of this code. These are all the some of the option. First option is co siait. Second option is cs iait. Third option is ait and the fourth option is cs IRAIT. Predict the output of this code. If I execute this code, the final output is AIT will be displayed on the screen. Now I will give the explanation one by one. Slash n means control will go for, so I will comment this third line. Slash n means control will go for the next line and CO will be printed on the screen. We'll execute this first. Control will go for the next line. CO will be displayed on the screen. And the next statement slash B indicates that, so slash p will backspace the cursor. So if it is backspacing the cursor, it will erase the one character. So if I'm trying to execute this code, it will display CSI. I will repeat once again. If I use a backspace, okay, it will go backside. It will go for the backspace. You can say backspace. Cursor will go for the one backspace and it will erase the O. So final output is CSI. So this is the point you have to remember. If I use a slash B, it will go for the backspace, the cursor. Where it is cursor is going for the backspace, backside, and it will erase the one character O. So final output is CSI. Next one is slash R. Slash R indicates that it will move the cursor to the beginning position. While it is moving to the beginning position, it will erase the three character. It will replace the three character CSI followed by the AIT. This is the point, one point you have to remember. Slash R indicates that it will move the cursor to the beginning of the current line, CSI. And how many characters is there? Three characters are there. So it will pointing from the beginning. So it will erase the old three character. It will place the new characters, AIT. Slash p means cursor will go for the one backside and it will erase the O. So if I execute this code, AIT will be displayed on the screen. Suppose if I add one more string over here, now AIT followed by the college will be displayed on the screen. Suppose if I use only the only two character. So now what happened here? If I use, so it will coming from the beginning. AI will be replaced to for the CS. A come over here, I will come over here, and another I will be displayed on the screen. That is the reason output is AII. This is the third question. Int main printf AIT college followed by slash XA and printf college. And these are all the following options. So AIT engineering college and AIT engineering followed by the next line, it will be display college. And third option is runtime error. And fourth option is error in first line. Predict the output of this code. Now, if I execute this code, so one major point you have to understand is slash XA treated as the slash n. So that is the reason first line it will print AIT engineering. Control will go for the next line. College will be displayed on the screen. So slash XA treated as the slash n over here. It works same as that of your slash n. Control will go for the next line. This is the fourth question. Int main int a is equal to 10 end with a semicolon. Static int b is equal to a end with a semicolon. Printf percentage d b comma a. I'm trying to print the value of b and a. So predict the output of this code. These are the following options. First option is 10, 10. Second option is compile time error. Third option is runtime error. And the fourth option is garbage value followed by the 10. Now, if I run this code, you will get the compile time error. Why compile time error? Just go and check in the error logs. This is very important. Initializer element is not a constant. Okay, this is not a constant. This is the initializer element. This is the not a constant. That is the reason you are getting the compile time error. So instead of this, if you use a 12 also, okay, so that value will be displayed on the screen. If I assign this variable, so you will get the compile time error. This is the fifth question. Int main int underscore int is equal to 10 and printf. I'm trying to print the variable. To predict the output of this code, these are the following options. First option is 10. Second option is compile time error. Third option is runtime error. And the fourth option is garbage value. If I execute this code, you will get the compile time error. So why? Because you have to give a space between this. Now underscore is treated as a variable. So that is the reason underscore followed by the int. This is treated as a variable. So now if I'm trying to execute this code, it will give the output as 10. Suppose if you are not giving the space in between the data type, so that you will get the compile time error. So kindly practice well. See you in my next session. Thank you.